Hello teacher, hello companies. In this picture I was in San Feliz. It is ubication outskirts from Medellin. You spend like 45 minutes going there by the San Pedro de los Milagros Way. Is one of my favorite places because there is beautiful sight of Medellin. In addition, there you can find delicious hot chocolate, white cheese, and bread. If you like adventure, you can try paragliding from there because it's a high place. But you can't forget your coat because it is really cold. You can also accompany with your family and friends and invite your try it is experiencing how. Good. Bye.